Family Entertainment's breaking news. UAE 9 killed, 73 rescued as a bus overturns in Sharjah's Khorfakkan region. Preliminary investigations indicate that a brake failure was the main cause of the accident. The bus driver lost control at Wadi Wishi roundabout, police said. Image used for illustrative purpose only. Sharjah 9 out of 83 passengers of Asian and Arab nationalities died when a workers' bus overturned in Khorfakkan on Sunday evening due to brake failure, Sharjah police said on Monday. Sharjah police's specialized teams, in coordination with relevant authorities, quickly reached the scene, rescuing 73 passengers, administering first aid to the injured, and transporting them to hospitals for medical care. Brigadier Dr. Ali Al-K Al-Hamoudi, director of the Eastern Region Police Department, reported that the Sharjah Police Operations Room received a report on Sunday evening about a bus carrying workers that overturned at Wadi Wishi roundabout at the entrance of Khorfakkan. All relevant police, civil defense and national ambulance teams quickly responded to the scene, confirming fatalities and injuries. He indicated that immediately, a state of readiness was raised, and all relevant agencies began taking immediate measures to rescue the injured and provide them with the necessary first aid due to the various injuries they sustained, which ranged from severe to moderate and minor. They were also transferred to hospitals to receive comprehensive health care. What happened? Brig Al-K explained that preliminary investigations indicate that a brake failure in the bus was the main cause of the accident, which led to the driver losing control and the bus overturning at the right exit of the entrance to the city of Khorfakkan. Sharjah police called on road users to adhere to traffic laws and regulations and traffic safety standards. It emphasized the importance of complete compliance with regular vehicle maintenance, avoiding distractions other than the road, and adhering to the speed limits in tunnels, curves, and intersections.